I worked as a tea tester, and we were selling tea to Russia. So we bought tea in China and sent it to Russia to our customers. And also, I traveled around China with the tourists, and we visited different places with the tea gardens and beautiful mountains. So we just wanted to see how the tea was made and what kind of teas you can make actually, because botanically speaking, the tea bush, Camellia sinensis, is a one kind, but it can be small, it can be big, it can be with bigger leaves, with smaller leaves. And for example, for green tea, you will need to pick up the tiniest, smallest leaves and buds that are fresh. Usually, it's done from beginning of April to the end of May when they're fresh, because later these tea leaves will grow bigger. And for example, for certain kinds of teas, you can use big leaves from the trees, and actually you have to climb these trees to get the tea leaves. So I really like the Chinese way of making tea, because they know how to do that to get the most of the tea that you have. Japanese tea ceremony is more about the ritual, about focusing on the mood and arranging everything. But some people who visited actually Japanese tea ceremonies told me later that I prefer to drink tea and not wait for an hour until it will be prepared. So in China, they're much more practical. And I will show why do we have like different pots and cups here, because it's all for a purpose. Today we'll be making green tea, and what's very important for the green tea is that you need to use the water that is a little bit cooled down, that's around maybe 85 degrees. So if you have a kettle that have this option that you can put the temperature actually that you need, so you can put 85, and that will be the best temperature for the green tea. If you don't have it, you can just boil the water, let it sit for 5 minutes with an open lid, and that will be fine. Because if you will use boiling hot water with the green tea, let it steep for 5-10 minutes, it will become bitter and terrible, and you will say, oh no, I don't want to live this life, like why everybody's saying it's good for your health, because it's so bitter. So we will do that, and I will show you how to do that in a glass teapot if you have it. If you don't have it, you can use a French press, because it's also very nice. You can push this down so all the leaves will be on the bottom and will not go into your cup. And before we will start, we will do a little game of choosing your cup. Yes. So